today I'm here to show you what we're gonna build together. This is a project that I've built a few months ago now, maybe even a year ago. I don't really remember, but it's a casino. It has lots of features. It has multiple games. It has a guest feature, an admin feature. You can log in as a guest here, which is directly an admin account. Admins have access to an admin dashboard where they can see all the users. Well, not all the users, the users that made the most amount of money and the ones that lost the most amount of money. In this case, it's the same ones. How much money the casino made, technically. How many bets, how much was wagered in total. We can see lots of different statistics on the different games, such as the current profit and losses or the expected profit and losses from the games. This is all calculated based on the games of the users. Admins can follow the games here in real time happening while other players are playing. Yeah, that's about it for the admin features. Now we're going to show you some of the games. So here, this is the dice game. I'm on an admin account and I have $1,000 and I can but yeah, this is a basic dice game. You can play and you can guess that the roll is going to be over or under it, depending on what you choose. This is basic. Here you can see all the games from everyone, and here is only my bets. In this case, it's the same, and this is also in real time. So if I play like this, you can see in real time this is getting updated. Then what else? There's another game here, Mines. I think we're all familiar with these types of games. The UI, I've made everything myself. I'm not very proud of it because I don't think it's very pretty, but it's okay because I'm not a designer, I'm a programmer. Yeah, you can cash out. Same features here. We're using the same kind of components here. It works with multiple types of mines, multiple amounts of mines, so that's also nice. What else? Let's show another game. Here we have Plinko. This is also a nice game. It's fun to play. Well, with fake money it is at least. Then we have Slots over here. Slots has sound. I'm just gonna make sure that the tab is muted because yeah, because this is really loud. I haven't added a volume button and I don't want to ear rape you. So yeah, so you have a spinning effect like this. You can play in automatic. So yeah, I tried adding some like a feature automatic, but I didn't do it on all the games. But you can yeah press like this and it will spin automatically just and continue spinning. The chances of winning here are pretty low, but it's because the payouts are huge. If I am not mistaken, let's check. Here are the payouts. Yeah, you can win up to 2,500 times your money. I want to add that yes, the chances are low to winning, but the house edge is 4.9%, which is industry standard for this type of game. The slots 35 game is 4.7% the house edge. Plinko has 1% house edge, Mines 3%, and Dice 1%. And all of the games use the provably fair algorithm. You can look up what this is, but I will make a video about it once we implement it. And it ensures that the casino can prove that they are not cheating, that everything is being calculated correctly. What else? There's another game here, Slots 35. I've named the games all myself, just like just randomly. Well, no, Mines is a real game, Dice as well. It's Slots 35. This is one that I invented myself and did the math myself. Well, invented the math myself because the other ones, the math is just available online. This one has the same principle and the same mechanics as the slots, but is a bit different visually, and the payouts are different. And since the max payout isn't as high, this one you win way more often. So basically, that's the application. what we are going to build is probably going to be different. So I'm showing you this because this is the potential, but I don't want to build exactly this. I'm going to build it from scratch. I'm going to try not to look at this code too much. Sometimes I'm going to have to look because I just don't remember stuff, for example. But the goal is to start over with different technologies. I want to change lots of stuff. This has been built with Next for the front app, for the front framework, and I don't want to use Next anymore. I want to just do it with React and Vite and using 10-stack query a lot more. Yeah. For the backend, I use Nest.js and I'm gonna keep using Nest.js. But I think I don't even remember if I used an ORM, but this time I'm gonna use Prisma ORM. For the database, I use MongoDB. I'm gonna use PostgreSQL this time. It's gonna be interesting how I'm gonna calculate all the statistics since I don't know if I can make aggregations with PostgreSQL, but I'll find that out. What else is there? I don't know which other technologies I have to mention. One thing I have to mention as well is that I will not make big edits. It's not gonna be very edited, all the videos. I'm just gonna code it in front of you, show you how I work, and just sometimes pause my recording and play it just like what I'm doing right now. But I'm not gonna do lots of edits because I don't think I will be motivated enough to continue if this takes me a lot of time to edit. If you're interested in following me to see how this all turns out or to learn how to build something like this, an application like this, then subscribe and watch out for the next videos. Something that I should also mention is that we are also going to do the whole deployment together. So I'm going to show you how to deploy an application like this with, I'm probably going to use Kubernetes and Docker, of course. Yeah, so that's also an important part. Bye bye, see you next time.